In this session, you'll be able to create an Azure file share, understand its configuration options, and mount it to Windows, Linux, or macOS systems for hybrid storage solutions. Azure File Share is a fully managed file share in the cloud that supports the SMB and NFS protocols. It behaves just like a typical file server, but with cloud scalability, built-in redundancy, and secure access control. You use it when you need to lift and shift legacy applications using shared storage. You want to replace or extend on-prem file servers. You need multiple VMs or users to access the same files. Let's get on the Azure portal and see file share in action. To create a file share, go to your storage account and click on File Shares under the Data Storage section. On this page, click File Share at the top to begin creating a new share. This is where I name my file share and choose the access tier. Azure offers 3 access tiers: Transaction Optimize, Hot, and Cool. For this setup, I selected Transaction Optimize to get the best pricing for frequent operations. Let's click Next to continue. Now I'm on the Backup tab. At the top, you see an option to enable backup, which I've checked because I want to protect this file share from accidental deletion or changes. This is where you mention your recovery services vault. Once everything is set up, click Next. The file share has been successfully created. Now, click the Connect button at the top to view the connection options and mount instructions for your system. The panel on the right lets me choose how I want to connect. I can choose from Windows, Linux, or macOS. I'm currently viewing the Windows tab. Here, Azure helps me map the file share as a drive letter. For example, I'm using storage account key, an alternative to Microsoft Entra. Note, there's a warning that SMB protocol version 3.0 or higher is required because secure transfer required is enabled. Below, Azure provides a PowerShell script that tests connectivity to the file share over port 445, saves the credentials so the drive stays mounted after reboot, maps the network drive using the specified credentials. If there's an error, for example, port 445 is blocked, it suggests checking firewall or NAT. VPN settings, routing, especially in corporate or ISP networks. That's how you create and configure Azure File Share.